Jotono khulumka ani channel angkai tomong nonor ani channel no takkan subscribe khalaya ko angkai subscribe khalai ready ang ketal job advertisement te online information related videos sanamo angkai phaidi tini kaisa ketal notification ailena on notification rijak staff selection commission government of India ni bukhakte angka nor video no paithak jorate nai tongdi kamka saimana bagai angkai phaidi official notification ailena official notification no tamu rijaka Ropulao na rijak tongonai Government of India Ministry of Personnel Public Pensions Department of Personnel and Training SSC Staff Selection Commission bukhakti rijago official website no tangani description no dirnai nor official website do thangi bu visit khlaiman o jago notification rijaka Hindi junior Hindi translator te junior translator te senior Hindi translator exam nai 2022 Oro sajaka date of submission online khlaina ningkai norok 20 tarik July 2022 ni chimi 4 tarik August 2022 jora norok ni application form submit khlaimanai kyo jagao last date online submit khlaimanai to 4 tarik August 2022 no tongnai abo kai oro to payment chung khlaina nangi CNST candidate rok angka oro payment khlaina nanglak te norok ni form correction 6 tarik August 2022 jora manai form correction khlaina bagai kai schedule of CBT ngai computer based exam ngai October month ngai hnai oro sajaka kai video no norok paithak jorate nai tongdi kam ka saimana bagai o PDF na angri ruwa ani description te o jaga o naidi pay scale angka junior translator in central secretariat official language service o jaga o level 6 rijak tongo te junior translator in Ministry of Railway Board tongonai di level 6 35,400 ni simi 1 lakh kabang tongo jagawa te junior oma haike no tongo pay scale rijak tongo post rijak tongo norok nai di norok tomong no PDF no download khlai nai kai kam kain saimanai oro tebo te age limit angkai o jagawo age limit tongo nai di 18 ni simi 30 years bisingo tongnai ro apply khlai manai te haipano sini boro rok angkai 5 years relaxation manai angkai 35 rok angkai apply khlai manai sini boro rok te o jagao essential qualification angkai essential qualification angnai nai di oro for post court tai ni simi di jora angkai junior Hindi translator angkai master degree khlaijak angna nangnai bo nai di in Hindi with English amo compulsory khlaijak angna nangnai je master degree khlaijak tangnai ro boro apply khlai manai o jagao angkai nai di same no jotoni post ni bagano master degree a recognized university in Hindi omo haike mang no rijak tongo jago joto post ni bagino mo master degree khlaijak rong ni bagai angka jago bahike apply khlaina angkai borong ni official website o thangi norok sakang registration khlai di registration khlaimani yaklo 4 tarik August 2022 ni sakang norok ni joto nakukmani details rok photo rok signature rok upload khlai bai di 4 tarik August 2022 ni sakang angkai tei correction khlaina angkai to 6 tarik August jora rijak tongo tei salnai norok correction khlai manai o jaga 100 rupees to rang nangnai haipano sini ST candidate rong ni bagai angkai free kai no norok apply khlai manai norok tomong no norok ni qualification by mili tongkang angkai norok apply khlai di qualification norok by mili tongkang angkai te center of examination kai oro nai di center oro bobo jaga center tongnai di sini Agartala Tripura o exam center tongo Agartala tongo nai di Tripura o jaga North Eastern region no tongo sini Agartala Tripura o angkai norok Agartala o no exam bo rimanai tomong no norok ni qualification rok tongoi tongkang ka ba norok apply khlai nai di omo kwbangma SSC ni bukhakte kwbangma department no talangjak nai bo angkai scheme of examination ke paper 1 to CBT nai computer based mode nai te o jaga general Hindi general English tongo te paper 2 angkai descriptive nai translation and omo hydrojak tongo 200 marks te 200 marks tongo 2 hour kharijak tongo pulani angkai to CBT abo computer based examination nai objective type ngai mo multiple choice question angkai te indicative syllabus nai din nor computer based tamong nai ang to o PDF no di ruana te norong ni documents tamong nangnai angkai o jaga nai di Aadhaar card nangnai voter ID card driving license PAN card tongo passport tongo te school college ID employment ID card tongo tei ex serviceman tomung chakri khlaijak rok retire rok hingkhe ex serviceman tei je nangkukmani norokni documents tongkha hingkhe documents verification foro nangnai mano mo hingkha haike no sajak o jaga o tei toro important point tok kwrwi norok nai di PDF no download khlai naikha hingkhe to norok tebo kaham khe saimanai oro tei important point kwrwi hingkha hingkhe obo 4 tarik oka jora tongo norokni application form no khlainani hingkhe norok tomung khlainani musung tongkha qualification milui tongkha hingkha norok khlaina di hingkha ani telegram tei whatsapp ang link ri rwo no description o norok aro 8 wngna musungkha 8 wngdi hingkha tini ni bagui amsung situng norok video no nai tongma bagui jotono no hambai hingkhe tini ni bagui amsung situng jotono no hambai.